What's going on, guys? It's going to be a quick video, more like a tip video of showing you the difference between shade smooth, shade AutoSmooth, shade flat, which in other software will come up with different terms. For example, in Maya, I believe it's hard edge and soft edge, but basically it's referring to the normals and where you get to, like for example, if I were to make this shade flat now, you'll see all the faces are now flat. If I right click and shade smooth, they all go smooth. And then you've got your last one, which is shade AutoSmooth. And as you can see, when it gets to a certain angle, it basically goes sharp. So it sort of blends the two together. Now, let's say you like this, but you want it to be at a specific angle. If you come to the right over here and go to Object Data Properties, and you go down to Normals, you can actually adjust that. So I actually have control over when. So if we want all of these to still be smooth, but we, for example, want this part to stay sharp and this part like that, you can. However, if there are some parts, like if you can't get the perfect auto smooth value and you need certain parts to still stay rough, all you need to do is click the asset, press tab, select the parts you want. So if you hold Alt left click, it will select the entire edge loop. Then we'll hold Shift Alt left click to also select more. You can then press F3, mark sharp. Don't know why caps lock is on. And press enter. You can also press Control E and get to that. Mark sharp. But I tend to type it. The reason I tend to type it is because now if I want to continue doing more, I just have to press F3 and enter. And there you go. And that is your smooth and your flat edges. Hope this helps some people who may have not understood the difference or may have been stuck not being able to understand that you could use this AutoSmooth or customly select the parts you wanted sharp edged. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you next time.